2 days ago, I ran 2 beliefs using the Belief Blaster, and I used the 10-minute version of the Belief Blaster. And I ran these 2 beliefs with it because they were heavier or stickier issues I was having. So I wanted to make sure that I got rid of them, of course. And as I was running the Belief Blaster, halfway through the first track I ran, I started laughing and crying at the same time. I literally was laughing because as you're mouthing the words and as you're mentally imagining the sentence and trying really hard to see that old belief, I started laughing because I thought, this is ridiculous. I mean, who would ever believe this? Why did I ever believe this? And then I started crying because of the emotions that came up that I still had attachments to with that belief. So I then, after running the Belief Blaster, which has been awesome, I ran the regular click track on that emotion of sadness, brought that down, and then I ran a positive click track, of course, to reinforce what my goal is with removing that belief, like where I want to be. And it has been incredible. Running these 2 beliefs since then, 2 days ago, it's so weird. For me, sometimes I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders when I run the regular click tracks, but this has been different. And I was able to, the next day, I made leaps and bounds with these issues. Just went out there in life and was able to just bust right through those barriers that I had before. So I cannot thank Tim enough. These are incredible. Thanks for listening to this. Have a great day.